Here's how to find and share your Facebook group link, invite people, and create a QR code. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook group first. Once you have your group created on Facebook, open the Facebook application or go to its website. Then select Groups and choose your group. Once you're in the group profile, you'll get two different options of invite and share. You can go ahead and tap on share, and you can directly send it to your friends through Messenger, or you can also send to WhatsApp, copy the link, and paste it to send anyone you like, or you can also send it to a specific group that you have joined on Facebook, also the pages and friends profile as well. Furthermore, you can also go ahead and share it through the Twitter app. And there is another option of QR code. You can go ahead and tap on it to access it and send it to your friends so that they can join the group through the QR code. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.